Hello friends. Today let's practice to write capital English alphabets from A to Z. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Let's write A. You can start from the top or bottom and write to slanting lines. Then join both the slanting lines at the middle. Isn't it easy? To write B, first draw a straight line and then add a curve starting from the top to the middle and another curve from middle to the bottom. Let's write C now. To write D, first make a straight line and then draw a curve starting from the top and joining at the bottom. Let's write E. Start with a straight line and add 3 parallel lines. One at the top, one at middle and one at the bottom. F is similar to E but only with lines at top and middle portion. Let's write the G now. To make G, let's write letter C first and then add a line like this. Let's write H. Draw 2 lines like this and then add a bridge connecting them. Let's write I now. Draw a straight line and add a line at the top and a line at the bottom like this. Letter J is like an umbrella. Let's write J. Let's write K now. This is also easy. Follow me. L is written like this. M is like a mountain. Let's learn to write letter M. Let's write N now. Make a circle and O is ready. P is like a half B. Let's write that also. Let's write Q now. First write O and then add a tail. To make R, first write P and then pull a line from the middle like this. S is a curve. Let's write S now. Let's write T now. Add a straight line and then add another line on the top like this. U is written like this. Let's write V. Follow me. W looks as if we connect to V together. X is written like this. Let's write Y now. Add a smaller V and then pull a line like this. Wow, we have come to the last alphabet, and that's Z. To make Z, write like this. Kids, don't forget to practice, as practice will make it easier to remember the English alphabets. Till we meet, have a good time. Bye.